Quick poll, who here has ever ruined a pot of beans? You're not alone, friend. Cooking dried beans isn't rocket science, but a few simple tricks can take your beans from bland to brilliant. First, always sort through your beans. Nobody wants a surprise pebble in their chili. Give them a good rinse under cold water. Now, soaking is optional, but trust me, your tummy will thank you. For a quick soak, boil beans in water, turn off the heat, and let them chill for an hour. Or go old school and soak overnight. Either way, drain and rinse before cooking. Next, beans go in a pot with fresh water. Cover by about 2 inches. Bring to a boil, then simmer gently. When they're tender but not mushy, you're golden. Salt goes in at the end to keep those skins silky. Toss in some garlic, onion, or a bay leaf for that flavor boost. Store any leftovers in the fridge or freeze them for next week's taco night. Easy, right? No more sad beans. Welcome to the Bean Club.